Is my rod in?
He swung out, look, he swung out that fish. Unbelievable.
He
fucking hooked him over there in the shallow. That's a joy, that's alright. Take it, let him run, man. You've got fucking the best gear, mate, to handle that fish.
Good fish, that's a good fish, mate.
That one. You know?
Maybe move around this side, mate. You know, take Jamie's corner, swap sides. Let me get this rod out of your way. You can do it, mate. Fucking very good.
Yeah, with the snapper.
Very good fish, mate.
Fuck, this guy's not stopping.
No, mate, you got heaps of braid on there, so don't stress. Give us a smile, Michael. No, don't whine, mate, while he's running. Just let him run.
Never try and whine, man.
Maybe tighten him up a little bit, Jay.
He'll stop soon, he'll tire soon. No, he's not ready to stop. You've got a big fish, man. He's at least, that's fine, he's on the way. That's at least fucking 6 kilo, I reckon, right?
Yeah, mate.
He's going to hook another one.
Give us a smile, Michael. Mate, this is what fishing's all about, eh? Slow him down now. No.
Fucking hell, I puffed that. Take it nice and easy. Remember, you've got strong gear, but the hook will be a light gauge hook, so...
What's your leader on that, Jay?
He's still going. Look at this! Just sit like this. Just clear.
Bob him.
Sit. Then pull back harder than that. Sit. Now one towards it. That's it. Now sit. Nice and slow. Pull back. That's it. He's still green, mate. Oh yeah, he's still green.
Good fish, mate. This is no toy.
I'm telling you. On that rod before I did.
Just like you did it to me. Should swap rods now, do a vicious triangle.
That's it, you've turned him now, see?
He's tired.
Nice and pump, man. You don't have to. There's no rush, man. This is your time, mate, on the boat, man. This is what it's all about. You don't want to end this quick, man. You know? You want to go to fucking. You don't have to go that slow because you might be coming towards us. You know what I mean? But
just always keep tight line.
Yeah, always. Man.
No slack.
That's it, man. Good fish.
We got the net ready?
It's easy to get to. There's your plastic rod out. And then when it gets...
Keep him out from the motor.
Alright, I think that's it. I'm not going to...
Jay, so I can get him when he comes up out of the
rain.
Yeah. No colour yet.
Don't pull back so much, man. Now just got like short pumps, you know?
Like I said, just be aware of the motor.
Short pumps.
Try and steer him to a side. Rubbing on the bottom of the boat too, Michael?
Yeah.
If you have to dunk the rod, dunk it, just not the reel. Still very green, isn't he? He's a good fish. Very good fish.
A bit more with the bait rods, man. Have I got you in, Michael? I do.
Just take it easy for a sec, because Jay's got the rod around you.
Yeah, I'll just let my line loose.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. What's he going to do? Alright, you got the line there, so it should just keep falling down as you pull up.
There's a squid out the back.
Yeah, I know.
Why don't you just cut it if you can? cut the line. If you can get the hold of the lead, I won't.
He's gone back down again anyway. Down with the rod. Down with the rod, man. You want to keep it. Have you cleared it? Well done. It's good work.
Quality work.
I was stupid. I should have got my bait rod up fucking way over there.
Listen, he's running again.
That's right. Let him run again, man. This is all of it. You're fine. Just stay steady. Just stay steady. Let me get my bait rod out of there. All right. You might have to take a step backwards. Take a step backwards, and let me bring your rod quick to me.
Keep tension.
That's all we're gonna worry about. All right. How the fuck did I do that?
Just
Cut it off with the flies, man.
You're just gonna have to think of running on your line. That's all.
it's quality, mate. 7-minute fight already, Michael.
With what's his name? Be careful with the.
It's ruled out because of the way it's running.
Like it won't be a king. People always dream of putting their food on a soft plastic.
Fucking give up, will you?
That's what it's all about, mate. It's not over yet.
It's all about nice, short little strokes now. Get into the boat.
I'm going to be pushing around the 10, mate, because you're on heavier gear than what I caught mine on the Aeronos. You know what I mean?
Cut the thing out easy, big guy.
Give it up, will
No, he won't give up, man. Michael, you gotta.
They'll bog down sometimes, mate.
No, that's it. I'm trying to see. You're gonna come up now. I see him very soon. He'll come up.
There he is,
a dead fish. Look at that. That's fucking big, man. No, don't panic. Don't panic at all.
Keep him away from the motor.
Just keep him out. I might get him. No. Down with the rod. Down with the rod. Down with the rod. Down with the rod. Actually, understand when I say that.
I'm nervous, fuck you.
No, nice and easy, man. You don't have to bring him up. Yeah. There's a good fish. He's a meter fish, alright?
Yeah. As I said, I reckon if you're pushing 10 kilo.
Just don't want anymore. Just sort of try and lever him up. You know?
Ooh.
Let's do that now.
Listen to that braid.
No. Sorry, man.
Easier than guys,
I can't. Yeah, I can't take swoops at it with this net. You know?
He's got to guide him.
He's tired though. He's tired. He's only just missed the swoops, so just be careful.
Don't like pull at him, yank at him or anything.
You got to bring his head
around, turn his head around the other way. High five, boys.
That was a struggle, man.
Well done, mate. You've joined the club. You've joined the club.
Fucking hell. You've beat me. I haven't caught a bigger Dewey than that on
I think you've beat me too, mate.
Line out, mate. That's a line out.
Hey? Fucking hell, mate. This one you'll be telling the kids, the green kids about. Mate, that's over 10 kilo. That's over 10 kilo.
Are you gonna let him go? Hey? You gonna let him go?
Get fucked
off. I'll stab you if you let him go, mate. Now you know how to hold him, mate. The gill plate is very sharp.
Let's get a measurement of him.
mate.
Yeah.
That is a fucking meter fish.
There you go.
1100.
Take a photo of that, will you?
I'm still filming. Yeah,
yeah?
I'm moving.
He's 1 meter. He's 1 meter and one.
Might kick. Let me get your other hand under his belly. That's it, mate.
Step up there. Well done.
Oh, congratulations, mate.